What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Say hi to Kai. Say hi, Kai. Say bye. We are at the apartment. Had a busy day at the shop today. I cut, was it 11 appointments? So it was a good day. But I have an unboxing for you guys today. Went out and got something that is gonna help put out content, help the channel. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I have right here in just a second.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So I'm pretty sure everybody wants to know what I have, but what I have is right here in this box, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you. Don't know how to use it. I'm completely illiterate to how it functions and just everything about it, but I'm pretty sure I will get the hang of it, get used to it. Don't mind my son here playing in the pantry. He's crazy. He's running a man bun right now. But let's get this box open and I can show you what we got in here. Alrighty. So we got a screen protector and screen cleaner, as you can see there, and then also we got a little case. So as you can see, it's going to be some type of electronics, and then we're going to need that. So a box inside of a box, and then inside of another box is what we're looking like right here. Got that open. And drum roll, please. All right, y'all ready? I'm ready. All right. Here we are, Macbook Pro. That's what we got here. I'm super excited to take this out and see what we got here. So before we get into what we have in the box, I want to open up the MacBook. This is the old computer I was working with here, the laptop. Old school, needed to update, and we got to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. Everything with Apple is just so easily accessible and just simple to open. It makes unboxing really easy and really fun, especially with like iPhones and all that. So let's open this up here. Pretty snug. So like I was saying, easily accessible. You just pull this up here, and we have the MacBook there. And then inside, we got the charging cord. It doesn't come with the cube, but I have so many of those, so not a big issue. But here's your cord, power cord here. Let's see how long this thing is. Let's see if it is a desirable length. Yeah, it's a pretty long cord we got here. Pretty long cord we got here. Go ahead and put this aside. Then we have the instruction manual, of course. Let's see. As you can tell, I've never had a MacBook Pro because inside we also have the charging, the actual thing that goes in the outlet, the power charger. So it's all wrapped up in plastic as well. Apple's packaging is always A1 all the time. But there you go. Got the Apple on there. And then of course inside the pamphlet, like you get with your iPhones, everyone always comes with a sticker. So couldn't make it any different. Got the Apple stickers there. user manual for the MacBook Pro, more stuff there. And last but not least, let's go ahead and turn on the MacBook Pro. Excuse the mess we got going on here. Let me get all this stuff together. Paperwork. And let's go ahead and get this bad boy plugged in. Push this aside. And then we'll plug this side. I'm assuming goes right here. Easy enough. Easy peasy. And then this opposite end, of course, goes into the actual MacBook. But where does it go? Oh, here we go. I got this all backwards. Let's take this off first. More unpackaging. There we go. Got like a space gray colorway. You can see the mirror you got here. That's pretty cool. That is nice. And then on the side here, we got our ports, and that's where we're gonna go ahead and charge it up. There we go. Let's go plug it in. You've got Cocoa Melon on in the background. Crucial. Go ahead and remove this screen here. Little screen cover. And we are in business. There it is, folks. And I'm just super excited to have another tool to help bring everybody content. So I'm just super excited about this. I just thought I'd unbox it and share it with the rest of y'all, all my subscribers. But I'm gonna go ahead and get everything punched in, locked in, get signed into this this MacBook Pro. But personally, I have never owned a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or whatever they got out. I've worked an iPad, I have an Apple phone. I've had Apple since 2009 as far as iPhones are concerned, but I've never worked with a computer. I've always used PC. So I feel like there's gonna be a little bit of a learning gap with Mac, but we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna put out more content for everybody. I appreciate everybody for tuning in this video and just being able to unbox this with me. I'll let you guys know later on down the line what I personally feel and think about the product. But you know, everybody that I see on YouTube, a lot of people that do video editing stuff as far as for their channel, a lot of them use a MacBook, so it's just something that's easily accessible and that you can correlate with the rest of your Apple products. So we're gonna see what it's like I said, but I appreciate everyone for tuning into the video today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more content to come. Hopefully we'll have a barber tutorial this week or another vlog. Stay tuned though, and we'll see. But until next time, God bless.